We've traveled the world to find the very best there is to offer. Many of our rich and famous celebrities can be found right here in the entertainment capital of the world, fabulous Las Vegas. Ladies and gentlemen, the #1 rated bird trainer in the world, Clint Carvalho.
I'll tell you that much. You want me to do that again? Say no.
What do they call it?
I sing a little song for you called "Oh What a Beautiful Morning, Oh What a Beautiful Day." Okay?
Can I order a Coke? Oh, there we go. Where's my Coke? Here we go. Where's my Coke? There he is. Here we go.
You cannot see this gun anywhere else. You cannot see a bird free fall